स्थापितं।
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निदहे सर्वविद्यानां श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवादः। अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। इदानीम् अस्माकं नूतनः वर्गः अस्ति। मालती इत्यस्य वर्गस्य नूतनः वर्गः। तर्हि शिक्षापुस्तकतः वयं शत्रुप्रत्ययः पठन्तः स्मः। तस्मिन् शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य पुल्लिङ्गरूपं तु अस्माभिः पठितं खलु। शत्रुप्रत्ययः किम् अस्ति, तस्य विषये अस्माभिः पठितं। किं किं पठितम् इति स्मर्यते वा केनापि? किं वक्तुं शक्यते शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य विषये? कोऽपि अथवा कापि वदति वा? यत्किमपि स्मर्यते तत् वदतु।
शत्रुप्रत्ययः परस्मैपदी धातूनां भवति। शत्रुन्दं वर्तमानकाले भवति। कर्ता सम्बन्धः द्वे कार्ये स्तः प्रचलति।
किं किं
द्वे कार्ये करोति कर्ता। कार्यं कार्यद्वयं करोति वर्तमानकाल काले।
किञ्चित् स्पष्टीकर्तुम् इच्छति वा? किं वक्तुम् इच्छति वा?
छात्रः पठन् गच्छति, विद्यालयं गच्छति।
तर्हि एकस्य एव छात्रस्य विषये एव भवति, isn't it? तत्र
कर्ता एकमेव अस्ति।
कर्ता द्वयं तत्र न भवितुमर्हति। केवलं
कर्ता नास्ति, कार्यं कार्यद्वयम् अस्ति। कर्ता एकमेव, कर्ता कार्यद्वयं करोति समानकाले।
कर्ता तु एकः एव तस्य कार्यद्वयं भवितुमर्हति। ते तत् कार्यद्वयं शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य योजनेन तत्र तस्य योजनं भवति, तत् युक्तं भवति। we can join the two sentences with the शत्रुप्रत्यय, right? अपि च शत्रुप्रत्ययः इति कीदृशः प्रत्ययः? किं वक्तुं शक्यते?
कृदन्तरूपम् अस्ति किल,
कारान्तरूपे अस्ति। कृदन्ते
कृत् प्रत्ययः अस्ति। कृत् प्रत्ययः धातुतः प्रत्ययद्वयं विधीयते। धातुतः प्रत्ययद्वयं विधीयते। प्रथमं तु तिङ् प्रत्ययः, अन्यत् अस्ति कृत् प्रत्ययः। कृत् इति अस्ति। कृत् प्रत्ययः यस्य धातोः अन्ते अस्ति तत्तु कृदन्तम् इति भवति। कृत् अन्ते यस्य सः कृदन्तः इति वक्तुं शक्यते। तर्हि सः कृदन्तः, तस्मात् कृत् प्रत्ययस्य योजनानन्तरं कृदन्तं प्रातिपदिकं भवति। तस्मात् प्रातिपदिकं नाम किं? तस्मात् अनन्तरं सुबुत्पत्ति कर्तुं शक्यते इति। सुप्रत्ययस्य योजनेन सुबुत्पत्तिः भवति इति सर्वं अस्माभिः पठितमासीत्। अधुना शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य योजनेन शत्रन्तरूपं वयं प्राप्नुमः। शत्रुप्रत्ययः यस्य अन्ते अस्ति सः शत्रन्त इति वक्तुं शक्यते। तर्हि शत्रन्त इत्यस्य सन्धिविग्रहः कथं भवति? कोऽपि वक्तुं शक्यते वा? शत्रन्त
श्र प्लस अ प्लस र
आनुपूर्वीन न आनुपूर्वीन शत्रन्त इति एका सन्धिः अस्ति। का किम् अस्ति तत्र? कथं सन्धिः भवति?
शत्र प्लस अ
अतिथिभावः अवशिष्यते तथा वा?
तत्तु प्रत्ययस्य विषये तन्न, परन्तु शत्रन्त इति शब्दः अस्ति। शत्रन्त शत्रुप्रत्ययः यस्य अन्ते सः शत्रन्त। तर्हि शत्रन्त इति अस्ति चेत् तस्य सन्धिविग्रहः कथं भवति इति मम प्रश्नः। शत्रन्त इत्यत्र किम् अस्ति?
शत्रु
अन्तः इति अस्ति। शत्रु अन्तः, शत्रु तत्र ऋकारः अस्ति। ऋषि इति शब्दः अस्ति खलु, तस्मात् ऋ इति तत्र ऋ इति अस्ति, शत्रु इति अस्ति, प्लस् अन्तः खलु। सो गुण अस्ति वा किमस्ति?
वृद्धि
ऋ इत्यस्य र भवति। यण् सन्धिः भवति। इको यणचि। करेक्ट्। सो इक् इत्यस्य इकः यण् भवति। इक् इति प्रत्याहारे किं किं भवति? इ उ ऋ ऋ इति अस्ति। तस्य य व र ल इति भवति खलु। तर्हि इको यणचि इति सूत्रम् अस्तु। तर्हि शत्रन्तपदं वयं प्राप्नुमः, तत्तु प्रातिपदिकम् इति अस्ति। अधुना शत्रन्तप्रातिपदिकं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु योजयितुं शक्यते। पुल्लिङ्गे, स्त्रीलिङ्गे अपि च नपुंसकलिङ्गे। अधुना पठ इति धातुः अस्ति। मलिनी भगिनी किञ्चित् म्यूट् करोति वा? यदा वक्तुम् इच्छति तदा अन्म्यूट् करोतु। भवत्याः पार्श्वे किञ्चित् ध्वनिः अस्ति। तर्हि शत्रुप्रत्ययः कृदन्तरूपेण अस्ति, तत्तु प्रातिपदिकमस्ति। तत् त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु तस्य योजनं भवितुम् अर्हति। तर्हि एकम् उदाहरणं नीत्वा वयं पश्यामः। पठ इति धातुः अस्ति, तस्मात् शत्रुप्रत्ययः योजयामः। तर्हि किं भवति? शत्रु इत्यस्मात् किम् अवशिष्यते? अत् इति अवशिष्यते।
अत्
इति अवशिष्यते। पठ योगः अत् इति भवति। तर्हि तत्र पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकम् अस्माभिः लभ्यते। तस्मात् अनन्तरं पठत् इत्यस्य पुल्लिङ्गरूपाणि भवन्ति, स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपाणि भवन्ति, अपि च नपुंसकलिङ्गरूपाणि अपि भवन्ति। सुप् नाम सुबन्त प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनतः इति आरभ्य सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचनपर्यन्तं ये सर्वे प्रत्ययाः सन्ति, सुप्रत्ययाः, ते सर्वे तस्य कृदन्तं यत् शत्रन्तम् अस्ति तस्मात् अनन्तरं योजयितुं शक्नुमः खलु। तर्हि पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकं, पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकस्य पुल्लिङ्गरूपाणि कानि भवन्ति?
पठन्, पठन्तौ, पठन्तः।
पूर्णतः टेबल वदतु बालाजी महोदय।
पठन्, पठन्तौ, पठन्तः, पठन्तौ, पठन्तं, पठन्तौ, पठतः, पठथा, पठद्भ्यां, पठद्भिः, पठते, पठद्भ्यां, पठद्भ्यः, पठतः, पठद्भ्यां, पठद्भ्यः, पठतः, पठतोः, पठतां, पठति, पठतोः, पठत्सु।
हे पठन्, हे पठन्तौ, हे
पठन्तौ,
हे पठन्तः इति पुल्लिङ्गरूपाणि खलु। 21 पुल्लिङ्गरूपाणि प्लस् सम्बोधनम् इति सर्वं भवति। तस्मात् अनन्तरं दिस् इस् आल् पुल्लिङ्ग। देन् स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपाणि अपि भवितुम् अर्हन्ति, परन्तु तत्र पठत् इति यत् प्रातिपदिकम् अस्माभिः प्राप्तं पूर्वं खलु, पठ योगः अत्, पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकं यत् प्राप्तवन्तः, तस्य पठन्, पठन्तौ, पठन्तः इति पुल्लिङ्गरूपाणि अस्माभिः कृतानि। स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपाणि यदा कर्तुम् इच्छामः तदा तत्र प्रातिपदिकं भिन्नं भवति. That is not the पठत्. पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकं स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपस्य नास्ति. तर्हि किं भवति इति चेत् पठत् इत्यस्य पठन्ति इति प्रातिपदिकं भवति. So पठन्ति इति प्रातिपदिकं, न तु पठत्. Always remember, because there is a high chance of making mistakes here. People think that pathat is the pratipadikam for all three. It is not so. Pathat is the pratipadikam for pullingam as well as for the napunsakalingam. But for the strilingam, it becomes pathanti. Okay, tatra numagamah asti. What is numagamaha? Num iti ekah agamah bhavati. Num iti agamah bhavati. तत् नुमागमः अपि भवति, अपि च इ इति प्रत्ययः अपि तत्र योजितम्. अतः पठन्ति इति तस्य रूपं भवति. सो पठत् इति प्रथमं तु पठत् इति वयं प्राप्नुमः. पठ प्लस् अत्. ओके, सो पठत्, and then to that pathat we do the numagama and also we add e pratyayah, and then we get pathanti. Now is the pratipadikam for the strilinga rupani. Astu, tarhi pathanti is the pratipadikam which works like nadi. Nadi nadyau nadyah. Ha. Nadi nadyau nadyah. Nadim nadyau nadi dvitiya. And so on. Nadya nadibhyam. Ha. So this pathanti will work like that. So now we will read a little bit about the Strilinga, Shatranta Strilinga Rupani. Page number, I think, 86, PDF 86 asti. Oh, I lost that page. Anybody knows?
101, Mahodaya. Shatranta Strilinga Shabdaha.
101.
Is it that one? Shashta Pataha.
101
पंचम पाठः अस्ति शत्रुप्रत्ययान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दाः.
पेज् नंबर वदतु. पृष्ठसङ्ख्या
82 महोदय.
82 अस्तु. हा, पञ्चमः पाठः अस्ति.
पञ्चमपाठः अस्तु अस्तु. कृदन्ताः. तत्र अहं कृदन्ताः इति दृष्ट्वा अग्रे
इदमपि अयमपि कृदन्तः एव. तर्हि कृदन्ताः तस्य शत्रुप्रत्ययान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दाः इति अस्ति. तर्हि मालिनी भगिनी पठतु.
भगिनी म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति.
In this Hindi version, it changes a bit. I'm still searching. It is neither in the 101.
पंचमः
पाठः.
पश्यतु मालिनी महोदय.
Someone continue still. Then by then I'll search and give.
Page 96.
76. Okay.
Page 96 and Hindi book.
No, it's okay. You open the page. If not, you will lose it.
Yes. I got it.
Okay, पठतु. हिंदी मध्ये अस्ति वा?
हिंदी मध्ये अस्ति.
देन् इंग्लिश मध्ये कस्य पार्श्वे अस्ति?
अहं पठामि महोदय. मम कृते अस्ति. In the previous lesson, you got familiar with the participle forms of masculine and neuter gender, such as pathan, gachan, patan, patat, gachat, patat, with different case terminations. Now we proceed to acquaint you with the feminine forms of the same, such as pathanti, gachanti, etc. in nominative case.
Now just scroll down, go to the next page, and then at the end there is note. Okay? Tat patatu.
Shatranta participle forms in feminine such as gachanti, likhanti, etc. are declined like ikaranta strilinga gauri shabdaha.
तस्य अर्थः कः? वदतु.
Shatranta participle gachanti, lekhanti एतत् सर्वं वाक्यानि padani ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग अन्ते ईकारम् अस्ति तस्मात् विभक्तिरूपाणि गौरी भवतु तदा एव एतत् सर्वम् अस्ति
गौरी शब्दवत्
गौरी शब्दवत् भवति सम्यक् गौरी शब्दवत् भवति
गौरी शब्दवत् भवति in prathama vibhakti the forms are gachanti in prathama vibhakti the forms are gachanti gachantyau gachantyah just like gauri gauryo gauryah
स्पष्टमस्ति खलु गच्छन्ति is the pratipadikam, that is the main point. Gachanti is the pratipadikam, then that form you have to decline in all the vibhaktis. Third point.
When you observe the Shatranta forms in the above sentence, you will find that in some there is nakara as in gachanti, and in some there is nakara as in dadati. The rule concerning this feature is as follows. You take the lat lakara prathama purusha ekavachana form of the same root and see if there is a hrasva akara before ti. If there is, then the Shatranta form will have nakara in it. If there is any vowel other than hrasva akara, there will be no nakara. Ooh. Okay.
So what is written? Now Gachanti is the one which you already know. As I said, there is a numagama and there is a e pratyayah. Num iti agamaha takarat purvam agatya tatra tishtati. Okay, num iti num ityasmat na nakarah eva avashishyate. So nakarah kutra tishtati iti chet takarat purvam agatya tatra स्थाप्यते. अस्तु गच्छन्त इति भवति तस्मात् अनन्तरं तस्य ई इति प्रत्ययः भवति. So now finally you got गच्छन्ति इति, परन्तु in some of the dhatus there is no nakara. Okay, so like dadati is also a pratipadikam, strilinga pratipadikam. Astu tarhi kim bhavati iti chet, the rule in this is you have to take the prathama purusha ekavachana lat lakara rupam of any dhatu. For example, gama gacha is there. Now gachati is the lat lakara prathama purusha ekavachanam. Hello. So gachati, gachatah, gachanti. Out of that you have to take gachati. Gachati, then after that you have to see. Then what is written? Lat lakara prathama purusha ekavachana form of the same root and see if there is a rasva akara before ti. Gachati.
Okay.
So gacha iti asti, right? Gacha. What is the end word in this? Akara. Akara shruyate. Hello. So gacha iti rasva akara asti before ti. If there is a rasva akara, then Shatranta form will have a numagama in it. Nakara means numagama. Num iti agama. Agama means something that has come from outside. Okay, so num, that like shatru ityasmat at iti avashishyate, right? That way, num iti, the name of that agama. Out of that num, only nakara avashishyate. So now, Shatranta form will have a nakara in it. When the angam before the ti pratyayah is rasva akaranta. If there is a vowel other than rasva akarah, then there will be no nakara. A simple rule is there. Okay. So kindly mute kurvantu sarve. So take any dhatu. What are the steps? The first one. Take any dhatu. Think about the lat lakara prathama purushah ekavachanam rupam of that dhatu. Then it will be ending with ti pratyay. We know ti tah anti. So ti. So remove that ti. Apart from ti, just before ti, what is the angam? Is it akaranta? It is akaranta? It is ikaranta, ukaranta? So what kind of angam it is? Look at that. If it is a rasva akarantam angam, then there is a nakara that comes and sits in between just before the T. Okay, so then you get gachanti, and that remove that last ikara and put dirgha ikara there. So you get gachanti, pathanti. So you have to look for the rasva akara before Ti. That's the rule. Avagatam va? Any doubt in this?
Ekmeva nayati, all of these parasmay padi, some of the parasmay hasati, nayati, rudati, karo,
Yes.
no. Now there karoti, atra na bhavati.
Correct. We will see those examples which will make us understand the concept even better. But before that, we will read the examples. Patatu Bhagini, next page.
First, next page. Page. Okay, one more. Okay. Example, gachati, here ti is preceded by a, therefore gachanti. Pathati, here ti is preceded by a, therefore pathanti. Shunoti, here ti is preceded by o, therefore shunvati. Janati, here ti is preceded by a, therefore janati.
So there the numagama na shruyate. What is the point to be noted here? There is no numagama before the Ti. That you have to understand. So there are rules. If you go by the Gana number, there are a lot of rules like 1, 4, 10. Then there is a numagama. 2, 4, 2, 6. There is a Vaikalpika numagama and all that. Now here, okay, I will tell you that later. Number 4, Patatu.
In the second lesson, you were introduced to the masculine forms of certain irregular roots. Now you will learn how to derive the feminine forms of the same. Udaharanam, kurvan, kurvati, janan, janati, rudan, rudati, krinan, krinati.
So this is it's the same. There are some of the feminine forms like kurvan, then it becomes kurvati, like karoti is the pratipadikam, tinganta rupam, latlakara prathama purusha ekavachanam. Karoti, there is o iti shruyate. So there is no nakara. Then it becomes kurva and kurvati. Kurvan was the masculine form, and its strilinga form will be kurvati. Okay. So now, Ritesh Mahodaya, agre patatu, visheshaha. Okay, this is regarding the Napunsaka Lingam. So we will see Napunsaka Lingam later. Okay, we will go back to the Udaharanani. Go back to that start of the topic. There are some sentences they have given, lot of sentences. We will study them. Okay, Patadu, the first one.
Mahoday, I also have the Hindi book.
No, this is in Sanskrit only, no problem.
Example, Sanskritaneva asti khalu.
Abhyasah?
Abhyasah na kridantaha. Pathasya
yatra vishayah arabhate tatra eva.
Oh, vanam gacchanti sita na ruditvati. Tasya? Oh. Vanam gacchanti sita na ruditavati.
Atra kinchit vadatu katham gacchanti. We have already seen this. Okay, forget that. Read the second one. So what is the translation? While going to the forest, Sita did not weep. While going to the forest, gacchanti Sita, vanam gacchanti. You can also say vanam Sita katham. Vanam gacchanti Sita. This is the only appropriate one, isn't it? Vanam gacchanti Sita na ruditavati. Or Sita vanam gacchanti na ruditavati. This is also good. Sita vanam gacchanti na ruditavati. While going to the forest, Sita did not weep. You have combined the two sentences with the Shatru Pratyay. It is the same as the Vartamana Kalaho. Sita Gachanti or Gachanti Sita, that also means Sita Gachati. Okay, there is no concept of present continuous in Sanskrit. We had seen this. Always remember this, because this is a big misconception that this is Shatranta Pratyay is used for the for depicting the present continuous tense, but it is not so. It is the same as the present tense, because there is nothing called present continuous in Sanskrit. Okay, but this kind of concept of Shatru Pratyay is used in this particular way in order to join two sentences. So there it comes handy. Okay, so Vanam Gachanti Sita na Ruditavati. Okay, second one patatu, Mohdaya.
क्रीडन्ती राधा जननीं दृष्टवती.
हाँ, किंचित वदतु.
क्रीडन्ती राधा
कः धातुः
प्लेइंग
कः
राधा
अत्र?
क्रीड धातु.
क्रीड धातु. तर्हि तस्य लट् लकारे प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं किं भवति?
क्रीडति.
क्रीडति इति भवति. इतः अन्ति. क्रीडति, क्रीडतः, क्रीडन्ति. सो क्रीडति इति भवति. क्रीडति इत्यत्र ति इत्यस्मात् पूर्वं, साक्षात् पूर्वं अङ्गं कथमस्ति?
अङ्गे अन्ते ह्रस्व आकार अस्ति.
ह्रस्व अकारान्तम् अङ्गमस्ति. साक्षात् पूर्वं ति इत्यस्य प्रत्ययस्य साक्षात् पूर्वम् अङ्गं ह्रस्व अकारान्तम् अस्ति. अतः तत्र नुमागमः भवति. राइट? सो प्रथमं तु नुमागमः भवति. नुमागमात् न नकारः, दैट इज न हलन्त नकार ये अवशिष्यते. नुम् इत्यस्मात् नकारः अवशिष्यते. तत् नकारः, सः नकारः ति इत्यस्मात् पूर्वम् आगत्य तिष्ठति. सो नाउ व्हाट यू गेट? क्रीडति इति आसीत् प्रथमं, क्रीड न ति इति लब्धम्. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? क्रीडन्ति इति लब्धम्. नाउ तिक्ति इत्यस्य ह्रस्व इकारः अपगच्छति, तत्र दीर्घ ईकारः आगच्छति. ई इति प्रत्ययः तत्र भवति. पुनः नीप् इति प्रत्ययः. नीप् अत्र चैट मध्ये ददामि. Oh, I cannot. That ng is not there in my iPhone. This iPhone is useless. Okay.
I love that statement.
I know. In Samsung, in the other one, you can write like anganang, and then ng comes there if you type English. Here, nothing happens. Okay. But you understood, right? Like anka iti asti, anka. How would you write anka? That there ng iti asti, kaka gaga ng. That ng tasya dirgha ikarah नीप iti tat pratyayah. नीप ityasmat ई iti avashishyate. So what goes off? किम अपगच्छति? नकारः अपगच्छति, अपि च पकारः अपगच्छति. What remains is ई, दीर्घ ईकार. And then that is applied to the dhatu. So then क्रीड नकार takara ikarah. Then this all makes kridanti. Avagatam va? That I can write here. Creed plus nakara num no iti asti.
Aham na drishyate.
No, I am just typing it. Just hold. 1 minute. So krida plus nakara, that is na halanta, which is from actually num. So num plus e iti asti. Dirgha ikarah. This is from neep. This I won't be able to type. Sorry about that. And then it gives you Kridanti. The plus E. Astu. Pashyatu. Krida iti akarantam angam. Then comes nakarah. Then comes the out of T. That ikara rasva ikarah apagachati. And E iti pratyayah tatra bhavati. That E is nip. It is stri pratyayah. There are some stri pratyayaha. Nip, nish, nin. It is stri pratyayaha santi. Out of that, this is the nip ending with pakara. Nip iti pratyayah. Nip ityasmat E iti avashyate. And then kridanti iti rupam vayam प्राप्नुमः. तर्हि क्रीडन्ती राधा जननीं दृष्टवती. So could you please translate it, Ritesh Mohdaya? भाषांतरं करोतु.
Playing Radha who was playing saw her mother.
So you can, while translating, you can say Radha while playing. Okay, while playing, you have to use the while. While playing, Radha looked at her mother. So you can write, while playing, Radha looked at her mother. Okay. Okay. Third one also. Patatu.
Shlokam patanti balika eva Gauri. Patanti balika. So a girl who is reading shloka is Gauri.
Correct. Very good. Patanti is easy asti khalu? Sulabham asti khalu?
Patanti.
Kimapi kapi shanka asti chet kripaya pruchhatu. I am assuming that it is clear to you because it's on the similar lines. Okay. Fourth one. Patatu.
Devam namanti sulata shlokan uktavati. While doing namaskara to Deva, she chanted the slokas.
Sulata is the name.
Sulata, who bowed down to Deva. While bowing down to Deva, she chanted slokas.
Correct.
While worshipping.
Worshipping.
While
that
worshipping.
Is also. Yes. While worshipping, while doing namaskara, you can write anything. Okay. Fifth one.
Patim anusaranti lopa mudra ashramam pravishtavati. Patim anusaranti. Patim ityukte patim. Fallen?
Husband.
Husband.
Pati. Patim.
Patihi pati patayah.
Patim anusaranti lopa mudra. Lopa mudra patim anusarati ashramam pravishtavati. Anusaranti. Lopa mudra while following her husband entered in ashram.
Correct. So now anusaranti lopamudra. Lopamudrayaha visheshanam bhavati anusaranti. So these all work like visheshanani. Okay. Kridanti radha, patanti balika, anusaranti lopamudra. So they tell you something more about the noun. So it becomes like a visheshanam. So anusaranti is the visheshanam of lopamudra. Patim anusaranti lopamudra ashramam pravishtavati. So atra just wanted to ask, like Lopamudra is whose wife? Who's her pati?
Agastya.
Agastya, correct. Yes. I was just testing my knowledge, whether I know it correctly.
I didn't remember, Mahodaya.
Yeah, sometimes even I forget.
It's in Lalita Sahasranam, it comes in Lalita Sahasranam, Lopamudra.
She is the one who's very knowledgeable lady. She's the one, right? Lopamudra.
Yes.
And she debates with Yajnavalkya or somebody.
No. That is Gargi.
That is Gargi. I got confused. Yes, Gargi.
This is Lopamudra who helps Sita to find what is that? Means she gives her the ornaments while they were in the forest. Rama and Sita, when roaming in the forest, when they visit Sage Agastya's hermit, he gives her the ornaments, and that in the later end it helps her to throw it down while Jatayu picks. I mean, there were two men. No, while Ravana picks her, she as a what is it? Marking like she throws all the jewelry all the way and goes. Following that, Rama traces her. Something like that. It goes like that.
Yes, that I know. Yeah, she throws the ornaments on the way while going to Lanka. Now translate this, Malini Bhagini. Use Shatranta and translate.
Abharanani. Throw.
Shipati.
Kshipanti.
Wait. Malini Bhagini. Wait, Bhagini. Malini Bhagini is going to think about it. Think and tell me.
Thinking goes whole class. It goes, ma'am. Your whole class goes in my thinking.
That's okay. This is a part of Abhyasa. See what happens. Those who know, if they tell you, then you won't be able to think about it, isn't it? So that is the problem. Otherwise, I don't have any problem. Anybody talking. Okay, Malini Bhagini. Prayatnam karo to. If you cannot, everybody is ready to help you. Okay.
Okay.
So while going to Lanka, Sita, Sita went to Lanka with Ravan while throwing the ornaments on the ground. Chalo, translate.
Vanam gachanti Sita abharanam.
No. While throwing, while going to what's that? Sita. Wait. Sita went to Lanka. See, listen. Sita went to Lanka while throwing the ornaments. So throwing should go into the Shatranta. While throwing the ornaments on the ground. Now, what is the first of all dhatu for throwing?
Kship.
Good.
Hrisva. So it is Kshipanti.
Correct. Kshipati. First of all, Kshipati, Prathama Purusha, Ekvachana.
Then Numagama asti, Hrisva Akaraha asti, Numagama asti, ityeva Kshipanti bhavati. Lankam gachanti Sita abharanam Kshipanti.
No. I said Kshipanti should go into the Shatranta.
She said while throwing.
Because Gachanti you all know by now. So I don't want again Gachanti.
Okay. Lankam.
No. Start with.
Write it down in your book.
Sita abharanan kshipanti.
Correct.
Abharanan kshipanti. What is this?
Lankam.
Gachati.
Gatavati.
Very
good. See, you can. So, abharanani kshipanti, Sita, Lankam, Gatavati. Right? So nice.
Yeah, so Abharanan is Dvitiya, so it will be only Abharanani.
Yes.
Samyak Mahoday?
Yes. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Abharanani Kshipanti Sita Lankam Gatavati. Uttamam.
Dvitiya naam Mahoday. Dvitiya Abharanani. Okay.
So Dvitiya, why Dvitiya?
Object of while doing something.
Of which dhatu?
Kshipanti.
Very good. Kship dhatoho karma padam. Kship dhatoho karma padam abharanani iti. Kim kshipanti? Abharanani kshipanti. Good. उत्तमम्। अस्तु, तर्हि षट् आरभ्य करोतु मालिनी भगिनी, फ्रॉम 6 onwards, 5 sentences.
भारं वहन्ती संगीता अधः पतितवती. While अधः पतितवती, संगीता fell down or she dropped the heavy thing down?
Read the sentence.
भारं वहन्ती संगीता अधः पतितवती. While carrying the heavy thing on her head, Sangeeta fell down.
So now, whether Sangeeta fell down or the Bhara fell down?
Sangeeta fell down.
How come? How do you know?
Bharam Vahanti, while carrying, she fell down. So both of them fell down together.
Patitavati.
Patitavati, correct. Patitavati iti asti khalu. So bharam asti chet bharam patitam chet, bharam asti chet patitavat bhavet. Bharam patitavat. Parantu atra patitavati, atah Sangeeta eva patitavati.
Sangeeta eva patitavati. So it is understood, no ma'am, like both of them will fall, no, if they
yada Sangeeta patitavati tada bharam api patitavati.
Bharam katham tasya shirasi upari tatra tishtet, isn't it? Bharam patitam.
Shirasi upari asti atra likanti naasti khalo.
Astu tari. Astu.
Here also the karta eva asti and dvayam kriya asti va?
Yes, Sangeeta iti karta, bharam vahanti, vahana kriya iti eka kriya, patitavati, patanasya anya kriya iti. Astu, saptamam.
Harismaranam kurvati mata devadarshanam kritavati. While doing Harismaranam, Mata saw Devadarshanam. She took the darshan of Deva.
She did Deva Darshanam. Okay.
She Deva Darshanam.
Now
Kurvati,
see here, Kurvati.
Kurvati. There is no Numagama because it
Why?
is not Kurvat. That is Kurvan. There is
no. What is the rule? What is the rule?
If there is Rasva Akara, only then Na comes. There is,
where is the Rasva Akara you have to look for? Which Rasva?
Latlakara Prathama Purusha.
Latlakara Prathama Purusha.
So what is the Latlakara Prathama Purusha of Kru Dhatu? Dhatu kaha? Kru. Dukrui karane. Kru iti dhatuh. Tasya Latlakara Rupani katham bhavanti? Vadatu, Malini Bhagini.
Kru dhatu latlakara, oh ma'am.
Karoti.
Ta gruha karyam karoti. Te gruha karyam kurvanti. Hello? Tari aduna vadatu karoti.
Karoti? What?
Vadatu. Rupani vadantu.
Karoti.
Kurutah kurvanti.
Agre vadatu.
Karoti kurutah kurvanti.
Agre madhyama purushe.
Karoshi. Kurutha.
Next.
Karomi.
Kurvaha.
Kurmaha.
Aduna sarvani rupani vadatu.
Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti, karoshi, kurutha, karomi, kurmaha, kurvaha.
Tari aduna, what is the rule? Latlakarasya prathama purusha ekavachanam. So karoti, you have to consider what? Karoti. Now ti ityasmat sakshat purvam kim asti? Rasva akarantam angam asti va?
Na.
Kim angam kim asti?
Karoti I.
Oh.
न ti इत्यस्मात् साक्षात् पूर्वं
तो करो वो
ओकारान्तम् अङ्गमस्ति
ओकारान्तः अस्ति
ओकारान्तम् अस्ति तर्हि नुमागमः भवति वा न भवति so there is no numagama and now it becomes like kurvan what you were doing kurvan iti kurvanti iti asit खलु लट् लकार प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचने कुर्वन्ति इति आसीत् तस्य ति इति अपगच्छति कुर्वन् इति तस्य कुर्वत् इति तस्य प्रातिपदिकं भवति पुल्लिङ्गे परन्तु अत्र कुर्वत् इति स्वीकुर्मः तस्मात् अनन्तरं इ इति प्रत्ययः तत्र नकारः न भवति सो कुर्वती इति भवति कुर्वती इति तस्य स्त्रीलिंग प्रातिपदिकम् कुर्वती so you have to remember some of them because since you don't know the Paniniya sutras right now at this level you need to remember like which dhatu has got whether numagama happens or no. And secondly, if the numagama doesn't happen, then what happens? So, for example, kru ityasya karoti iti latlakara rupam, tasya kurvati iti shatranta rupam. Iti you have to remember. Okay? Once you learn the sutras later on, it will be easy, very easy. Okay, next one, 8th one.
Katham likhanti veda geetam geetavati. Veda, while writing the story, she's singing also. How to put?
Sung a song.
It is not past tense, right?
Bhutakale. Geetavati Bhutakale.
Geetavati. Okay.
Geetavati.
While writing the story, Geeta sang.
No, Veda
sang a song.
Okay, Geeta, no. Veda sang.
Okay. Veda sang a song. Okay. Now here, likh iti dhatuh. Tasya likhati likhatah likhanti iti bhavati. That we all know. Right? Chatra lat lakare. Likhati likhatah likhanti. Parantu likh iti, now we know, last time I had told you there are 10 ganas of the dhatavah. Dhatavah are divided into 10 ganas. Out of that, the 6th gana is tudadi. Okay? And tudadi ganasya shatranta strilinga rupam vaikalpikam bhavati. So, you get one rupam with numagama and another rupam without numagama. Okay? So, Katham likhanti veda is also correct. Katham likhati veda is also correct. So, for the 6th gana, though the angam is akaranta before ti, the numagama is vaikalpika. Optionally, you get the numagama. In one rupam, you get numagama. In another rupam, there is no numagama. So, likhanti and likhati are the two, are the rupadvayam. Okay? I don't know whether
the 6th gana, which are the dhatus, how, I mean, only when you learn that, you will get to know how many dhatus are there in that particular gana.
Yes.
If not, all the ganas are listed there.
Gana se nama kim Mahoday?
Tudadi. Tud adihi. Tud adi yasya saha. Yasya saha. Tudadi ganaha. Tasya ganasya arambhe tud iti dhatuh asti. Tud iti dhatuh. So if you see ashtadhyayi.com, there also you will get all the tudadi gana dhatavah. Just filter, put a filter. You will get all tudadi gana. Okay, and it's Shatru Pratyayah. Strilinge Shatru Pratyayah is in that the Numagama is Vaikalpika. So Likhanti, Likhati, Tudanti, Tudati, and so on. I think this is not given in the book, but this you can take it as an extra information.
महोदय अद्यापि इण्डिया अस्ति वा? इण्डिया देशे अपि?
आमां, भारतदेशे अस्मि.
भारतदेशे.
Where are you, ma'am, in India?
In Mumbai.
मुम्बै नगरे. कति दिनानि अस्ति तत्र?
Not sure.
That's good. That's good. Very good.
Let's see.
Enjoy.
I may go early.
Okay.
No, it's not enjoying. Like, okay, there are some work and weather is good, but still family is away, December, so it's not always enjoying.
Yeah, December month you are there at least.
Yeah. Even January I'll be there. February, I don't know. I may go back January end or February first week. Let's see. So here, that is the problem. Here, I don't have the Wi-Fi network here. I don't have the router.
Yes,
I'm on the data plan, so it's all a problem. Yeah. Okay. So 6, 7, 8. How many sentences you read, Bhagini? 6, 7, 8. Okay.
4.
9th one. Patatu.
Kshiram dadati denuhu trunam khaditavati. While giving the milk, dadati. While giving the milk, cow is eating the grass.
Yeah. Kshiram dadati dhenuhu. You can also translate it. See, it is number 3 is given. If you see the footnote on number 3, she who's giving, who is giving. So that way also you can make use of this Shatranta Rupani. So the dhenu, the dhenu who is giving milk ate the grass. That way also you can, or while giving the milk, the dhenu ate the grass. You know who's dhenu?
Cow.
Do you know? Only cow?
Kamadhenu.
No. What is dhenu?
Who gives?
No, what is, like, cow is correct, but what kind of cow is called dhenu?
White.
No. A cow with a calf is called dhenu. So it is called Savatsa Dhenu. It's called Savatsa Dhenu.
I did not
know
Dhenu,
that. A mother cow with a small calf is called Dhenu. So beautiful.
Without it would be then what, ma'am? Gau?
Gau, yeah, Gauhu. So Kshiram dadati dhenuhu. Trunam khaditavati. Atra kim bhavati vadatu? Dhatuhu kaha?
Dadat.
Dhatuhu kaha? Dhatuhu kaha?
Da dhatu.
Da iti dhatuhu. Da iti dhatuhu. Tasya punaha vaikalpika numagamah bhavati. Atrapi. This Stri Pratyaya is a bit complicated, so a little complex. So da iti dhatuhu tasya akaranta dhatuhu asti, tasya vaikalpika numagamah bhavati. So dadati is also correct, dadanti is also correct. Let me just cross check in this ashtadhyayi.com. I think it is not given in the book, Shiksha book. So let us confirm it. In my opinion, it is akaranta dhatuhu apicha 6th gana dhatuhu. Juhotyadi.
It is first and sixth both.
Dadati iti asti. Dadati dattah dadati. Tatra kridante. If you see kridanta pratyayaha tatra iti asti. Dadati iti dattam asti. Dadati. Because this is juhotyadi, so there is a dvitva. Da iti tatra kevalam da iti nasti. अङ्गं किं भवति बिफोर् द ति प्रत्ययः अङ्गं ददा इति अस्ति अतः तत्र न भवति नुमागमः नास्ति परन्तु केवलम् आकारान्त अस्ति फॉर एग्जांपल या प्रापणे इति धातुः अस्ति अथवा वाति इति धातुः अस्ति तत्र नुमागमः वैकल्पिकं भवति यान्ति याति इति रूपद्वयं भवति अस्तु अत्र तु केवलं ददति इति अस्ति ते अभ्यस्तधातुः अस्ति अस्तु अस्तु दा धातोः किं भवति ददति इति भवति okay that much is enough so as I said you have to remember some of the dhatu tasya shatranta pratyayah strilinga rupani shatranta strilinga rupani kim bhavanti iti smartavyam eva that's the only way astu okay last one 10th one
सर्वेभ्यः मधुरं ददति माता पितरं स्मृतवती सर्वेभ्यः मधुरं ददति माता पितरं स्मृतवती while giving the sweets to everyone mother remembered father
okay she remembered whether he is not eating sweets no that's how she remembered hope he is not eating astu
or if in his presence while giving this to these people she remembered him also if he had to be here I would have given him also like
yes that I was joking like in a that's what you said is the right way that's vakyameva samyak asti parantu kinchit hasyartham astu next one from 11th onwards Balaji Mahoday
क्रीडन्त्यः बालिकाः इतस्ततः धावन्ति तत्र अनुवादमपि दत्तं सो क्रीडन्त्यः सो बहुवचने अस्ति क्रीडन्ति क्रीडन्त्यौ क्रीडन्त्यः बालिकाः इतस्ततः धावन्ति girls who are playing or running here and there
correct क्रीडन्ति we saw tasya bahuvachanam that's it
बहुवचनं
next
आपणं पश्यन्त्यः स्त्रियः तत्रैव स्थितवत्यः तत्रापि बहुवचने अस्ति पश्यन्ति पश्यन्त्यः स्त्रियः women who were gazing at the show stood there itself
so pashyanti iti asti drisha pashya iti dhatuh तत्तु पुनः पश्यति इति अस्ति सो अकारान्तं ह्रस्व अकारान्तं अङ्गम् अतः तत्र नुमागमः अभवत् तस्मात् अनन्तरम् ईकारः अभवत् सो पश्यन्ति इस् द प्रातिपदिकं नाउ पश्यन्ति पश्यन्त्यौ पश्यन्त्यः इति उत्तमं 13
फलानि खादन्त्यः वानर्यः बीजानि क्षिप्तवत्यः so फलानि खादन्त्यः वानर्यः वानर्य तो वानरी so खादन्त्यः बहुवचने अस्ति खादन्ति खादन्त्यौ खादन्त्यः so बीजानि क्षिप्तवन्तः so while eating bananas
क्षिप्तवत्यः
so while eating bananas they throw the seeds बीजानि क्षिप्तवत्यः
bananas नास्ति तत्र फलानि fruits
फलानि तत्र बीजानि न सन्ति
फलानि सम्यक् fruits अस्तु fruits
bananas इति किं भवति संस्कृते कदलीफलं
नूतनगृहं क्षालयन्त्यः कर्मकर्यः धनं प्राप्तवत्यः क्षालयन्त्यः क्षालयन्ति क्षालयन्त्यौ क्षालयन्त्यः कर्मकर्यः बहुवचने अस्ति so the workers while cleaning the new house they got the money dhanam praptavत्यः कार्यक्रमे गायन्त्यः गायिकाः मुख्यातिथिं दृष्टवत्यः so कार्यक्रमे in the program the singers while singing in the program, they saw the chief guest, Mukhyatithim दृष्टवत्यः.
उत्तमं. तर्हि सुलभमस्ति खलु? Anything not understood? We can go ahead. Okay. 16 to 20, Lakshmi Bhagini.
शाटिकां क्रीणत्यः ललनाः कार्यक्रमं न गतवत्यः. ललनाः is again women. Girls,
yes.
or women?
Mahilaha,
Mahilaha. Shatikam krinatyah. So say this is again krinatyah, krinati, 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 krinatyah. Kridhatu, kridhatuh. So krinati is only the main is the krinati, right?
Right.
Latlakara prathama purusha krinati.
Rasvakarah asti va?
Akara nasti, rasvakara nasti. Dirgha akara asti. Ti purvaha. Tasmat krinanti nasti. So it will be what is the book? Krinati. So
Krinati,
krinatyah. Gauri iti example. So shatikam krinatyah. While buying sari, the women did not go to the program.
Now kri dhatoh rupani vaktum shakyate va? Latlakare.
Latlakare? Krinati.
No. Krinati.
No. Krinati, krinitaha, krinanti. God, I just learned. I have an exam today, Mahodaya. Krinati, krinitaha, krinanti. Krinishi.
Krinasi.
No, krinasi, krinitha, krinitha, krinami, krinivaha, krinimaha.
This is the one dhatu that is declined in a different way.
Yes,
so just like Nya dhatu, Kri dhatu, these are little naughty dhatus, dhatavah. So we have to remember them. So krinati, krinitah, krinanti, tatra akarantam angam asti before ti, rasva akarantam nasti, atah numagamah na bhavati, apicha tasya kim rupam bhavati, kim krinati iti bhavati.
Krinati.
So krinatyah, lalanaha krinatyah. Next one.
Krishnam smarantyah gopikaah ruditavatyah. While remembering Krishna, all the gopikas were crying. Were crying. So smarantyah, smarati. Latlakara prathama purusha smarati. Akara is the ti purvam. So it is smaranti.
Dhatuh kaha atra? Mula dhatuh kaha?
Smru dhatu.
Smarane.
Smarane, smru dhatu. So smaranti, smarantyau, smarantyah. Nugagama asti. Tasmat smarantyah asti tatra.
Correct. Next one.
Geetam shrunmatyah nartakyah sarvam vismritavatyaha. Mama api tasmat eva asti. Sarvam vismritavati. Geetam, while listening to the songs, all the dancers forgot everything. Or not forgot everything. They forgot their dancers. I think the practical translation would be they were lost in their dancing. Maybe that's the actual meaning, correct?
Was the song, Geetam.
I know, but while listening to the song, Nartakyah Sarvam Vismritavatyah, does it mean that they were the
lost in the
bhava
song?
Is the bhava that they were engrossed in the song? Because
something
it's
like
dancers.
That. Yes. They got lost in the song itself. They did not
They got
dance.
lost in the song. That is the literal translation, but you can't do that here, can we?
Yeah.
So Shrunvatyah, Shrunvati, so it will be Shrunoti is the Latlakara Prathama Purusha. Okara asti, Tasmak Nugangama na asti. So Shrunoti, Shrunvati. Shrunvati iti pratham
correct.
Shatranta Shrunvati Shrunvatyau Shrunvatyah.
धातुः कः?
श्रु धातु.
श्रुश्रवणे.
श्रुश्रवणे
इस् द धातु. तस्य कथं लट् रूपाणि? लटि किं भवति?
शृणोति.
अग्रे?
शृणोति, शृणुतः, शृण्वन्ति, शृणोषि, शृणुतः, शृणुथा, शृणोमि, शृण्वः, शृण्मः. कृ धातु इति सेम् न महोदय?
परन्तु तत्र शृण्वः शृणुवः इति अपि भवति, शृण्वः इति अपि भवति. रूपद्वयं भवति. करेक्ट्. गुड्, वेरि गुड्. सो शृणोति तत्रापि ओकारः अस्ति, तत्र नुमागमः न भवति. नेक्स्ट्.
पारितोषकं ददत्यः शिक्षिकाः फलं न खादितवत्यः. ददत्यः शिक्षिकाः. So dadati. So this meaning is a little confusing. So shikshikaha, so the teachers or female teachers, while giving the paritoshikam is the
gifts, presents,
gifts, they did not eat the fruit.
Okay, but now here you can translate it in some other way, saying that those teachers who were giving giving the gifts did not eat the fruits. So little different kind of meaning, like while giving the gifts they did not eat the fruit. This is a bit weird meaning, so
they can't eat.
They can't eat.
No, this is good, because somewhere here she's giving those who are buying, those who are listening, it says at the example at the bottom as an appendix here. So those who are not aware of Tatra Asti, that's good to know. Okay. So Paritoshikam is a gift?
Or prize, award.
Award, okay.
Prize or award. Remember. More than gift, it is the Paritoshikam is upaharam. Right? Upaharam. Not upaharam, upaharam. Upaharam is the breakfast,
food, right?
or
upaharam is food.
Yeah, breakfast. Pratah rasham is called upaharam. Or maybe small snacks, you say, no? That is the upaharam.
Small meal in the morning.
Alpaharam breakfast.
Alpaharam is also there.
Alpaharam is a little bit of food. Upaharam is in the morning.
That's a breakfast. Alpaharam is a breakfast, right?
Nah. Alpaharam breakfast, nah.
Alpaharam is the breakfast. No, Alpaharam is the breakfast. Pratah rasha or Alpahara is the breakfast. Upahara is like snacks. You go to Upahara Gruham. You go to restaurant. Upahara Gruham. That is that Upahara. Any small meals are called Upaharam. Upa Aharam. Not the complete Aharam, but Upa Aharam. That is the Upaharam. So you can say those teachers who were giving the prizes did not eat the fruits. That way. Okay. So the next one, last one.
One query, ma'am. In this Paritoshikam Dhadatyah, that is Bahuvachanam. Means Ekavachanam is Dhadati. Dvivachanam Dadathav or Dadatyav or Dadantyau.
Nadi Shabdavat.
Nadi. Dadati is the first prathama, not Dadati, but Dadati, Nadi.
Right. So nadyau iti bhavati खलु?
Nadyau.
Nadyau. Tadvat dadatyau. Dadatyau. And the last one?
Dadatyah.
20th one.
मार्गम् अजानत्यः भगिन्यः कष्टम् अनुभूतवत्यः. Bhaginyah, sisters who did not know the path faced troubles. Faced troubles, yeah. Or felt anubhava. Experienced. Yeah, thank you. Experienced troubles. Yes. Ajanatyah. Janati. So janati is the word, is it?
Yes. So what is the dhatu?
Ja dhatu.
No.
Nya. Sorry. Nya dhatu. Janati. So it will be janati, janitah, jananti. After that I forgot.
Janasi.
Janitah, janami, janivah, janimah.
Same like kri. Similar lines. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Margam. So ajanatyah. So ajanati. So ajanati, ajanatyau, ajanatyah.
So janati is the pratipadikam. Then those who did not know. So na janati, ajanati. Iti nai tatpurush samasah tatra. Tatpurusha samasah bhavati. Na janati, those who did not know. Na janati, ajanati. Na janati, ajanati. Iti. Astu. Tari ajanati is the pratipadikam and then it goes like nadi. Ajanatyah, bhaginyah, kashtam anubhutavatyah. Astu, clear now? Strilingam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just remember that on the sixth gana, it is the Vaikalpika Numagamaha. So if you go to ashtadhyayi.com and sort on sixth gana, Tudadi gana, then you will find a few dhatu. And then those dhatu go to the Shatranta Pratyaya, you will find the Vaikalpika Rupani. I hope it is given in... let me have a quick look. Shatranta. Tudadhatuhu, tudati, tudanti iti. So, studadi ganiya sarvesham dhatunam vaikalpika numagamaha shatranta sri pratye, strilinga rupani. Astu. Okay. Even that is true for the akaranta padani. Akaranta dhatavah, like ya prapane, yati iti bhavati. Yati, that means to go. Prapane. Yati, vati is to to flow. Vati. Vati, yati, those kind of akaranta ye dhatavah tasmin tesham api strilinga shatranta strilinge numagamaha vaikalpikah. So ya iti dhatoh shatranta strilinga rupam ya pratipadikam yati yanti iti bhavati. Okay. Astu. Now in the next if you go to the next this, I wanted to finish this as well.
Let's finish, ma'am. If you have time.
Okay, one more. Okay, I'll see this later. Go to the next lesson number 6. There, just now, just like how we saw Shatranta Pullinga Rupanam Anye Subantaha, like from Dvitiya Vibhakti till Saptami Vibhakti. Same way for the Strilinga Rupam Kim Bhavati. Iti sarvam asti. If you see page number PDF page number
Tritiya, Chaturthi.
105. Yes, page number 101. Yes,
English
101.
pustake 101.
Hindi
Yes.
Pathanti,
118.
Yeah.
षष्ठः
पठन्ति
पाठः.
पठन्त्यौ पठन्त्यः पठन्ति.
तत्र द्वितीया इति आरभ्य सप्तमी पर्यन्तं कानिचन वाक्यानि तत्र दत्तानि सन्ति. Okay. We will go through a little bit. 10 minutes are still there, right? Okay, fine. So yeah, prarambham karotu. Ritesh Mohoday, first one.
I have Hindu book, Mohoday.
Oh, this is Sanskrit only, don't worry.
तत्र नास्ति, English नास्ति.
शत्रन्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दाः. द्विवचन
द्वितीया,
तृतीय चतुर्थी पंचमी षष्ठी सप्तमी सप्तमी विभक्त्याम. Is it vyam? विभक्त्याम.
विभक्त्याम. Yes.
जलम आनयन्तीं सीतां शारदा अपि अनुसृतवती.
अत्र शत्रन्त किम्?
आनयन्तीं.
आनयन्तीं सीतां. Now this is which vibhakti is this?
द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचनम.
Correct. Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Sitam Sharada Sitam Anusrutavati. So Sitam Kidrushi Sitam Anayanti Sitam. Kim Anayantim? Jalam Anayantim Sitam. Sharada Anusrutavati. Astu. Tarhi Anayantim iti Dvitiya vibhakto. Now the same pattern you have to follow. You have to just take the do the same vibhakti as that of the karta. Astu. Second one. Patatu.
निन्दन्तीं स्त्रियं दृष्ट्वा अन्याः स्त्रियः कुपितवत्यः. निन्दन्तीं स्त्रियः दृष्ट्वा अन्याः स्त्रियं दृष्ट्वा अन्याः स्त्रियः कुपितवत्यः. निन्दति. So the women who were having seen the women who
was criticizing,
complaining, criticizing, the rest of the women felt bad.
They got angry.
They got angry. Kupita. They got angry.
Other ladies got angry.
Anyaha. So many women, right? Other women.
Yeah. Anyaha striyah got angry.
Striyah kupitavatyaha.
Having seen
other women
the lady criticized,
became angry.
Correct. Next one.
Phalani khadantihi vanarihi दृष्ट्वा बालिकाः हसितवत्यः. Having seen many female monkeys eating fruits, young girls were laughing.
They laughed. Next.
धावन्तीः गाः पश्य. You see the cow who were running cows. You see
running cows.
Uttamam. See the running cows. Dhavantihi gaha. Both are dvitiya bahuvachanam. Both are dvitiya bahuvachanam. Pashya ityasya karma padam. Right? So dhavantihi is like nadihi. Nadi nadyau nadyah nadim nadyau nadihi. That is this. Dhavantihi. Okay. Fifth one.
Atra pashya is I thought it is lot lakara, no?
Yes, correct. Lot lakare, madhyama purushe ekavachane. Correct.
Padyam punah punah smarantya taya सुमधुरम न गीतम. पुनः पुनः स्मरन्त्या तया. स्मरध्रम न गीतम. Padyam is the padya of a song.
Yes.
Is that?
Yes.
While remembering, no.
Correct.
Again and again remembered the stanza of the song. Remembered by a woman, Taya. Right? Sumadhuram na gitam.
Wait, let him think.
Sumadhuram. Not able to sing, is it?
Taya sumadhuram na gitam. Taya na gitam. What prayoga is this?
Karmani prayoga.
Correct. Karmani prayog. So sumadhuram taya sumadhuram na gitam. Kidrushi sa punah padam punah smarantya taya.
Okay.
Now say.
First of all, sumadhuram na gitam. Samyak na gitam. Right?
Okay.
Na gitam by the woman who was remembering again and again.
Who was remembering the song again and again.
So by her or by the woman?
By her.
By her or by the woman. Yes.
So
no,
how will be the
woman?
No, by her.
Sa api khalu Ritesh Mahoday.
By her.
So you cannot say woman.
Sarvnama.
So what will be the complete sentence?
Samyak Geetam na shaknomi by Padyam punah smarantya taya.
Translate in English.
She was she was not able to sing the song while remembering the stanza of the song again and again.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Anybody else?
So Mahoday, the literal translation. We're supposed, if you're supposed to the literal translation, Taya, then we have to say by her, no? Then this translation will be the song was not sung
by her.
By her,
Sumadhuram beautifully by her while remembering the stanza again and again.
Who was remembering the song again and again?
The song was not sang by her in a good way, Sumadhuram, in a good way. Who was remembering the song again and again? Or you can, to make it the sentence sensible, you can use your little, freedom in translations. So since she was remembering the song again and again, she could. The song was not sung in a good way, in a sweet way, by her. That way. Okay.
So the by her is important, correct? When we do the translation.
Yes.
Taya.
Okay. Now Kim Kurmaha. The first 5 sentences are over, right? We will do two sentences each. Okay. So yeah. Karotu. Kasya avasarah. Malini Bhagini.
Uttaram likhantya vidyarthinya madhye alochyate. While writing the answers, female students kept thinking. Madhye is in between, kept thinking.
But this is all again karmani prayoga. Uttaram likhantya vidyarthinya madhye alochyate. So thinking is done by the student, girl student, who was writing answer, by whom the answers were being written.
It's Tritiya. Okay.
Past tense.
भक्ष्याणि खादन्तिभिः स्त्रीभिः बहु सम्भाषणं कृतम्. While lot females spoke, Bhakshani, while females spoke a lot while eating dishes.
Spoken by them.
While eating dishes, lot things were spoken by females.
Okay, next
one. Two you said.
Yeah, two.
Prakshalayantibihi.
Whose turn? Lakshmi Bhagini.
No, okay, Balaji Mahal.
Balaji Mahal, sorry. Anybody?
Vastram prakshalayantibihi rajikabhihi dirghotchvasaha kriyate. So dirghotchvasaha kriyate. Long sighs were done. Long sighs was released or done by the washerwomen while washing the clothes.
Heavy breathing.
Yeah.
Heavy breathing.
Panting.
Panting. Dirghotchvasaha, panting. So panting. So the Vastram prakshalayantibihi. So they were while washing the clothes only, no?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. Correct.
While washing the clothes, heavy panting was done by the washerwomen.
Yeah.
Kriyate. Okay.
Okay.
Nrityavantyau idam paritoshakam.
Nrityantyayihi.
I'm sorry. No, sorry. Nrityantyai idam paritoshakam diyatam. Let this paritoshakam, we just talked about it. Let this gifts be given. Prize be given to the dancers. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Those who are
dancer.
Okay.
One dancer.
One dance. Oh, nrityantyai.
Yeah. Nrityantyai iti nadyai. That way. Chaturthi ekavachanam. No, ekavachanam.
No.
Nadyai nadibhyam nadibhyah. Chaturthi.
Nadyai. Oh.
To the dancer.
Yes, to the dancer. Okay, thank you.
So let this prize be given to the dancer.
To the dancer. Okay.
Next, 10th one. Balaji Mahal.
Chitram pashyantyai balikayai tat chitram rochate. That picture is liked by the girl who is looking at the picture. Sitam nindantibhyam
Nindantibhyah.
Kshamyatam. Sitam nindantibhyo rakshasibhyo Hanuman kupitavan.
Hanuman
kupitavan. Kshamyatam. Sitam nindantibhyo rakshasibhyo Hanuman kupitavan.
So ka vibhakti hi atra?
Nindantibhyah rakshasibhyah. Panchami vibhakti.
No, chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Nindantibhyah rakshasibhyah. So Hanuman was angry at those rakshasas who were scolding Sita.
Right. Uttamam. Chalo. So now this is done. Sitam nindantibhyo rakshasibhyo Hanuman kupitavan.
Mahoday, Hanuman.
So now
samyak va?
Samyak. Yes, it is that way. Yes. Hanumat. It is Hanumat is the pratipadikam. Hanuman is the
Pratama
ekavachanam. Hanumat is the pratipadikam. Yasya Hanuhu asti.
Hanu.
हनु इति अस्ति खलु? Need to check. Hanu iti chin.
It is dirgha.
Dirghah asti. Right? Dirghah asti. Amam. Dirgha. Ataha hanumat. Yasya hanuhu asti. Saha hanumat. And then tasya prathama vibhakti ekvachanam hanuman. Just like dhanavan. Dhanam yasya asti. Saha dhanavan. Shrihi yasya asti. Saha shriman iti. Ataha atra hanuman. Astu. From 12th sentence onwards till the 20th, like this only go on analyzing the sentence. Each and every why there is nakaraha asti va asti chet kimartham asti, vibhaktihi ka kimartham sa vibhaktihi asti iti swasya eva alochanam kurvantu. Astu. Api so this is shatru pratyay stri shatru pratyayah spashtam khalu? Next time we will do the napunsaka linga shatru pratyay, and then shatru pratyay is done. But then its use in sati saptami is also there. We will start with that. That's also very interesting. Okay. So bhavatyaha parikshayai shubhashayah Lakshmi Mahodaya, and we will meet in the next class or in the new year. Okay. So next next year we will meet next year now. Next Saturday there is no class. I'm not
3rd
available.
of January, Mahodaya?
Yes. What is? I think so. It's 3rd, no? Yes, it is 3rd. We will meet on 3rd evening. Okay, like 4:30 p.m. Astu.
Dhanyavadah.
Ma'am, that picture what you had posted, I have written it in Shatranta Rupa and posted it to you along with my Graha Karyam. Just check it, ma'am.
So I will check. I had not. I didn't go through that. But yeah, and also do the next Anvaya Rachana also. Now the Anvaya Rachana are all given in the book. We can discuss it whenever we will meet next time. But go on doing it. And 10, 11, 12 was done. It was given as a Chintayantu, right? Then 13, 14, 15, those 5 also, 3 also you can do. So up to 15 it is done. Then we can start with the Subhashitani the next year. Okay? Astu. Samapayamah. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sarvesham dhanyavadaha.
So, quick thing, Malini, you said about Lopamudra. I think, can you please check? It is Atri Rishi and Chitrakuta. Atri Rishi's wife, not I think Agastya Rishi wife. We can cross check. Chitrakuta when Rama, Sita, Lakshmana went, I think Atri Rishi's wife gave